What's up, y'all? I'm about to start dropping my recap videos here on YouTube. I feel like it's just a little bit easier for me than dropping like cut up videos on TikTok every day. But this is my P&L for June so far. Been trading my strat. Just wanted to show y'all my stats and kind of just where I'm at this month. I took a payout on the 17th, and then my only L this week was on a Thursday. I seem to always lose on Thursdays, so I kind of more cautious on Thursdays, but wasn't mad with the setup. On the day I took that L, one trade it didn't play out, so closed the charts for the day. But this week I've had two winning trades. Yesterday and then today we took a trade for $870. So I'm just gonna go over my Monday trade and my Tuesday trade, and so yeah. So this is Monday. And Monday I traded Euro, which is basically the Euro USD futures ticker. And so all I want to see with my strat is obviously this right here. These two purple lines is my orb, and this gray area is my Asia orb. And so I want to see a breakout in this London, like my last video. If you haven't seen my strat video, go to my last video, and then from now on you'll be able to watch these recaps. They'll make a lot more sense. And all the indicators and stuff are on there too. It's like 3 indicators. And so, boom, we got a breakout here. So I'm gonna mark with my fib tool to the bottom of this breakout. Now all I want to see is price when that 8 to 10, basically New York pre-market opens. I want to see us push to the upside and test this level, and then that's where I'm setting my limit order, my entry. So stop loss here, my TP was here, 1 to 2, and yeah, this is how it played out. Got wicked in, literally no drawdown, went straight to the downside. So that was my trade on Monday, and it's literally just Asia orb breakout. That's all I trade, and I just go through all these pairs on the right over here just to see which one's giving me or I guess the best look, whichever ones, all 3 things are lining up for me. And so today, which is Tuesday, I'm gonna go over my trade from today. So same exact thing, hop on the charts, break to the downside obviously in this green zone, and so I mark my fib levels, and like I said, in between this London to New York pre-market, all I want to see is price not break through this 90% fib level. Once we break through this 90% fib level, that kind of trade idea is invalid for me. But after seeing price reject around this 80% level, especially on the 15-minute time frame, I'm fine. I just want to see price at open push down and then come back up and to test this 60% level where my entry is. So as you can see, price did exactly that. It pushed down at open, and so that's when I put my limit order here with my stop loss right here, and then I targeted right around here. So and this is how it played out, and this is on oil. So I traded Euro on Monday and then oil today. So boom, got wicked in, just like that. A little bit of drawdown, but overall the trade wasn't that bad. Another thing is when I'm trading all these different pairs like oil, even Euro, for example. So today we got bearish. We got to move to the downside. So I want to see this dollar index be moving to the upside. So that's like one of my confluences, and especially with oil. So usually when we're getting moves to the downside on oil, we should be pumping on NQ. And Obviously, we're getting moved to the downside, but as you can see, in this kind of when New York opened, we got a pump to the upside, which obviously during that time we were getting a pump to the downside on oil. So I look for that, and honestly, that doesn't make or break if I'm gonna take a trade or not. It's just kind of little things I look for with the strat. But overall, like as you guys can see, the two setups, like those three steps are the only things I'm kind of looking at every single morning. And so I'm gonna keep dropping my recaps on here. I'll pull my stats back up for y'all. This month has gone pretty good. I kind of took a little break last month to kind of get my strategy right, get my mental right. Obviously paid off. So, and if you guys want to join the Discord, got a bunch of members in here. I drop all my stuff every single day. I'll drop the link in the bio. But yeah, appreciate y'all, and I'll be back.